You are watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Stephanie. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Wednesday, after a lack of data meant that it was more influenced by geopolitical relations, particularly between Russia and the West, whilst recent robust inflation data and a more hawkish monetary outlook provided underpinning strength. The greenback ended the day 1.3462 to the euro and 101.47 to the yen. Today's data includes initial jobless claims, which are expected to come out at 310,000, manufacturing PMI, which is forecast to rise to 57.5, and new home sales, which are expected to fall -5.8% in June. Next to the euro. The euro launched a recovery on Wednesday after risk appetite returned, following signs that a growing body of opinion in Russia supported a more diplomatic approach to dealing with the Ukrainian problem. In order to avoid more stringent trade sanctions, the single currency ended the day 1.3462 to the dollar and 136.61 to the yen. Today's data includes manufacturing and services PMI for the Eurozone, which are expected to fall a basis point compared to June. British pound. The pound fell on Wednesday after the release of the BOE July meeting minutes show policymakers were much less hawkish than had been expected, delaying hopes of an early rate rise. Sterling ended the day 1.7042 to the dollar and 0.7897 to the euro. Today's data includes retail sales, which are expected to show a 4.6% rise in June. Japanese yen. The yen traded mixed on Wednesday after risk appetite moderate and commentary from BOJ Deputy Governor Nakaso warned the economy recovery was being hampered by slow export growth. The yen ended the day 101.47 to the dollar and 172.92 to the pound. Today's data includes CPI, which is forecast to rise by 3.5% in June. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from the experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.3475 with targets at 1.3435 and 1.34 in extension, above 1.3475, which will look for further upside with 1.35 and 1.353 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.705 with targets at 1.6995 and 1.696 in extension, above 1.705, which will look for further upside with 1.7085 and 1.7115 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 101.3 with targets at 101.6 and 101.8 in extension, below 101.3, which will look for further downside with 101.05 and 100.85 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Stephanie and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.